Welcome to Oil and Gas Investor Headlines for the week ending in September 16th. I'm Heather Rosenbaum. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to thank our sponsor, Navport. For more information on their upstream data solutions, visit navport.com. Starting off, Anadarko Petroleum bought into the Gulf of Mexico this week for $2 billion. But the deal is really all about terra firma. This week, Anadarko bought FreeportMcMoran Oil and Gas's deep water assets. Anadarko said the acquisition will generate about $3 billion in incremental free cash flow during the next 5 years. So where's all that money going? Anadarko plans to funnel the cash into the Delaware and Denver-Julesburg basins to add more rigs. Staying in the Delaware, Charger Shale Oil Company has teamed with Oaktree Capital Management to form a joint venture focused on the Permian. Oaktree pledged $600 million in an initial equity commitment. Charger plans to expand to more than 85,000 acres. The JV follows a recent $1.5 billion push by private equity to take on more Permian. With all that spending on acquisitions, the money left over is becoming a concern to the International Energy Agency. Upstream funding for North American shale is drying up as investments shrank by more than 50% in the past 2 years, the agency says. Upstream companies remain the largest area for energy investment, but other sectors are catching up. Let's look at the numbers. Spending for upstream oil and gas industries fell by 25% in 2015, and further 24% is estimated for this year. And a Bakken pipeline has become a lightning rod for controversy after President Barack Obama's administration overruled a federal judge last week. The judge cleared the Dakota Access Pipeline to resume construction following a Native American legal action. Soon after, the construction remained in limbo after 3 federal agencies cited the need for additional talks with Native American governments. That's despite nearly 400 meetings with tribes prior to permitting the Dakota access. Obama's actions have drawn the scorn of industry and trade groups. Thanks for watching this week's Oil and Gas Investor Headlines. For more on these stories and others, head on over to oilandgasinvestor.com. And be sure to catch our special report next week. To stay up to date on the most recent hard energy videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking here.